Hey guys, Andrew Esquivel here, back with another review, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Whalen XL-33E TV stand. This thing is pretty darn big. That is a 55-inch TV, and hopefully that gives you guys some perspective, because the camera doesn't really do it justice just how long this thing is. Now, I was using this old TV stand that I had laying around, and just was not capable of holding the new big TV, so I got something new. So this is something you can purchase at Walmart for about $130 after tax, and assembly-wise, it's pretty straightforward and clear-cut. Having two people obviously will definitely help. So some things to note. The surfaces here that are black are made of glass, and they're held in by suction cups that get put on underneath the metal frame here. So obviously we got three levels of metal frame, and this nice kind of like dark stained kind of wood with a chrome finish that goes through. Let's talk about the mounting situation for the TV, because it does come with this giant pole and everything you need to mount your TV to it. And the pole down here does more than just hold the TV. And it's optional, you don't have to use it, but it allows you to route wires through the pole. There's also these things in the back. If you look right there, you can wrap wires around to keep them more tidy so they're not just loose and all about. I've got some more wire managing to do myself, but the nice thing is it allows you to do that wire managing relatively easily. So, looking at this right here, I got this because I needed a way to raise the TV up and also have room for my sound bar, which is, pretty wide in itself. The quality of the product, worth every penny. The construction is immaculate for the price. I was pretty hesitant on spending really more than like $50 on a TV stand, because you can get cheap TV stands made of wood, but the price is very well justified with this. When you see this in person, it is so good looking that you'll want to buy the accessories that allow you to, they're like shelves in the same style as this curved wood and color and everything you can go put by the sides. And I might actually do that because this is pretty nice. And once again, the construction, it's really good. The metal is pretty beefy, especially on the back where you mount on the TV. Mounting everything was super easy. There was extra screws left over. It gives you a ton of different screws for different TV mounts. Different TVs with different size screw holes for mounting. It comes with all the brackets. And, yeah, I mean, there's really not too much to say other than it's elegant. It looks incredible in person. It's built really well for the price. It is a fantastic purchase. And I'm not the only one who thinks so. I looked on Walmart. There's a lot of really good reviews of this thing. The only thing that I would suggest is get it at the Walmart store. Have it shipped to the store if it's not in stock, because these glass panels right here, they are strong and sturdy, but some people have had, during shipment, these glass panels shatter, and that's not good. Now, obviously, you don't put something like a big old tube TV on this. Modern flat screens are pretty lightweight nowadays, and it does have a maximum weight, and you really don't want to exceed that because, like I said, it's made of glass. It is tempered glass, but so long as everything you're putting on it is modern, it's got a pretty modern, sleek look to it. So, but like I said, I need to do some more cleaning and wire managing here. But everything looks fantastic. We got it put together in about an hour and a half, but that was me and a friend doing it. We weren't like super focused on the task on just doing this one thing though, so you can probably get it put together a lot easier. And if you're wondering, to give you a comparison level of construction, like if you compare this to IKEA instructions, this is miles and miles ahead of ease of understanding the instructions. It's really simple. It's really straightforward. You're not going to have a problem. It comes with most all the tools you need. The only thing that it doesn't come with is a Phillips head screwdriver, and you're only going to need that if you decide to use the optional TV mount that goes on the back here. Like I said, that pole that the TV sits on or is screwed into with the mount, you don't have to use that. That's totally optional because, for instance, I took my little feet off. I was originally just going to have it sit on the table there, or well, on the TV stand, but I opted to do the mounting option. I think it looks really good. So that's my little blurb. It's good. I'm surprised at how good it is, and that doesn't happen too often. So definitely worth the price.